Where? Who are you?
I am the doctor.
But then who am I?
You, too, are the doctor.
Wait a minute. Are we in the midst of our regeneration?
Correct.
That means we're being creative. That means that we can do some crafts with me, Indiana Jones. But today, I'm the doctor. But Francis is here. He's the doctor too. And you know what we're going to be doing? We're going to be doing some Christmas crafts because the doctor always has a Christmas special, but something's happened in the universe. There isn't going to be one this year, but we have one for you. So be right back. Right, doctor?
Right, but first, be kind, be gentle, and never, ever eat pears.